OpenAI has released GPT-4, which is even more powerful than ChatGPT. In this video, we will explore what GPT-4 is, why it is important, what is new in GPT-4 compared to ChatGPT, potential applications, and its limitations. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Vimal and I am a final year engineering student at Indian Institute of Information Technology, Vadodara, and currently I am doing my internship as a backend developer. And on this channel, I make videos related to web development, tips and tricks, tutorials, and videos related to freelancing also. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have created tutorials which uses ChatGPT API to build bot for WhatsApp, Discord and web, which you may also like. I will provide link in the description. Now, GPT-4, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, is a state-of-art language model developed by OpenAI, a company renowned for their advanced AI research. This model, which has been recently released on March 15, 2023, is a highly advanced and sophisticated language model that has been garnering a lot of attention from AI enthusiasts and experts alike. The model relies on deep learning technique to generate human-like text that is highly accurate and precise. It is worth noting that GPT-4 has been trained on a massive amount of text data that includes everything from books and articles to websites and other online content. This training has enabled GPT-4 to understand the subtle nuance of natural language, making it highly effective language model. One of the key advantages of GPT-4 over its predecessor, GPT 3.5, is its reliability, creativity, and the ability to handle much more complex and nuanced instructions. This means that GPT-4 is capable of generating even more sophisticated and high-quality text that is closer to natural language than ever before. With its impressive natural language processing capabilities, GPT-4 is expected to revolutionize the field of AI and language modeling, paving the way for even more advanced and sophisticated models in the future. GPT-4 is more creative and collaborative than ever before. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks, such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style. It is capable of handling over 25,000 words of text, allowing for use cases like long-form content creation, extended conversations, and document search and analysis. GPT-4 surpasses ChatGPT in its advanced reasoning capabilities. Developers have stated that it is 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content and 40% more likely to produce factual responses than GPT 3.5 on their internal evaluations. GPT-4 can do all what GPT 3.5 could do and even exceed in areas such as long-form content creation. GPT-4 can generate high-quality content for a variety of applications such as news articles, social media posts, product descriptions. This can help businesses create content more effectively and at lower cost. As now GPT-4 has capability to process images and voice, so it can generate captions, classifications, and analysis. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users and creative technical writing such as composing song, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style. GPT-4 can also be used to create more intelligent and responsive chatbots and virtual assistants, which can better understand and respond to human language. This can improve the customer experience and reduce the workload for customer service agents. GPT-4's multilingual support can be used to improve language translation, making it easier for people to communicate across languages, and it is already tested with Duolingo. It can be used to create more intelligent and natural sounding voice assistants, which can improve the user experience of devices such as smart speakers and home assistants. And for this, GPT-4 has also been used by Be My Eyes, which uses GPT-4 to transform visual accessibility. It can be used to personalize content for individual users, such as recommending products or suggesting content based on their preference and behavior. So it is also used by Khan Academy to explore the potential of GPT, where they are exploring how it can be used in education sector. Despite its capability, GPT-4 has similar limitations as earlier GPT models like social bias. Most importantly, it is still not fully reliable. It hallucinates facts and makes reasoning error. Great care should be taken when using language model outputs, particularly in high-stake context, with the exact protocols such as human review, grounding, and additional context, or avoiding high-stakes uses altogether, matching the need of specific use cases. While still a real issue, GPT-4 significantly reduces hallucination relative to previous models, which have themselves been improving with each iteration. GPT-4 scores 40% higher than latest GPT 3.5 on internal adversarial factuality evaluation, and also have issues like adversarial prompt. GPT-4 has a lot of potential, and let's see what products and services we will be seeing in the future, or we will be building in the future. As you know that I have also created tutorials on creating bots with OpenAI ChatGPT, API for WhatsApp, Discord, and web, and AI art generator with Node.js and React.js, which you can watch. I will link down in the description, or you can surf my channel and get more valuable information from my previous videos. Bye bye.